Forgotten username recovery failed on Tink Fix. If your attempt to recover your Tink username keeps failing, don't worry, you're not the only one. Most people get this wrong because they think Tink is a direct banking app. But here's the surprising truth: Tink doesn't manage user accounts the same way a bank does. Instead, it acts as a secure connection layer that helps financial apps and banks exchange your account data safely. So when you try to recover your username on Tink and it fails, it usually means your account isn't hosted by Tink itself. Let's walk through what to do. Step 1. Identify which financial app or bank uses Tink for your connection. Tink partners with many European banks and fintechs like Revolut, Klarna, and NatWest to power their financial data systems. You'll need to recover your username from that specific app or bank, not from Tink directly. Go to your bank or app's login page and click on Forgot Username. Follow the recovery steps, usually involving your registered email or mobile number. Once your credentials are recovered there, your Tink-linked access will automatically sync back. If you signed up through an app using your Tink connection and that app no longer exists or was deleted, search your email inbox for old messages from Tink or its partners. These emails can tell you which service your login is tied to. In rare cases, recovery fails because of outdated contact details. If you've changed your phone or email since signing up, update your information with your financial institution first. And if you still can't find a way in, reach out to Tink support. While they can't restore your username directly, they can confirm which app or institution your account is linked to, helping you get back in control faster. So, if your forgotten username recovery failed on Tink, it's not really an error. It's just a sign that you need to recover your credentials through your bank or connected app instead. Once you do, your Tink connection will start working again automatically.